But there's another interesting thing into this market, because if you take the next slide here, despite everything that happened in the mobile tech space, then SMS haven't changed really for 20 years. There's no branding, there's no attribute, there's very limited type of buttons or type of live interaction you could do. But that is now changing. So Google is entering the SMS market. So they have created a deal with Android and with a lot of operators, and also with players like us. So that means that if you are a brand and you are operating in markets like US, Mexico, France, or Spain, we can offer what we call verified SMS. And this will work for all Android users. And here you could see on the left side, you could see the standard SMS. On the right side, you could see the verified SMS. And here you could see that you could have a sender ID. You have a verified badge on the app header. You have a logo and a description for your business. And then you get the URL, could you have previews, and the business logo and the name is next to the message. So this is creating a better user experience, and it prevents the suspicion of SMS fraud. That is really a problem in some markets. And this is also working from the solution that we are now providing together, Rent. This is working for that solution. So that's really great if you are a customer that is operating in one of those markets that I mentioned.
And yeah, I think this is one of the most important new features that that is available for SMS, because I think in some markets, especially in the US, we do get spammed a lot on SMS, and this would ensure that your client as a user or as a merchant, your client is going to see SMS messages that they know are valid. And it's a great feature and something very exciting that's happening even in the Magento space, that users can now get these verified messages. Thank you.
Really, and we also could see that some early data that we have, that the click rates on URL are getting doubled when we use the verified SMS. So I think that's an early sign that also the brands could expect to have better conversion rate on these type of channels.